We start with 1 hour chart. If you refer to our analysis in my last video, since the price was exactly here, we mentioned we can look for buy. And as we can see, this is the what we can look for. The best things maybe we could look for trade based on lower time frame. Anyway, now we have been looking for buy, and this is what we get. The another option was to have entry above this, which it haven't tagged yet. I think having entry above this is cancelled. We are not going to trade it since we get the trade set up here already. And as we can see, we get the continuation as a short move. Okay. Anyway, for me, I'm not going to have entry above this. And the best things is if I want to look for continuation, I wait for the flag. If I see any flag, I will look for the next trade. All right. Because it simply made this one tentative correction. Anyway, if still anyone wants to have entry above this, then if the price tag, this is not moving even within the first hour, they should take out the trade. In this case, we move to higher time frame, we move to daily chart. All right, we don't have anything. The only thing is we're looking for continuation, and we don't have anything to discuss. In this case, we move to forward chart, and even based on forward chart, since we have been looking for this correction for buy, and this is what we get. Since we mentioned we have been looking for this flat. Anyway, we're looking for continuation, and we want to see the price break the previous top. And if I move to 1 hour chart, as I mentioned, if we want to look for the next trade, if we get any flag, we can look for next trade. But if we get the flag for the next trade, we need to see the breakout of the previous stop. That's why I mentioned right now, if we don't, I don't suggest to to trade by having entry above this, since what we get is a really good chart. Is really sharp because we can expect to get the flag, right? Anyway, whoever get the trade from here, either above this or based on lower time frame, based on 15 minutes, we had a small flag. I don't know anyone can trade or not. There was a few opportunity. Anyway, whoever get the trade from this, at least they move their stop loss and we look for continuation. I think if we get a flag, still we can look for next trade. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. And we're looking for the one thing I need to highlight here. If there is a continuation, we're looking for the breakout of the previous stop. And the first target is still we consider as 0.1697. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.